Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday, December 8th, 2020. It's a great day to be a junior Potter here, Mr. Parrott, with your rundown of everything happening on Tuesday. First off, make sure that you answer today's bell ringers. They are up there. I think it's 3 questions. And I'll give you the right answers at the end, hopefully, if I got set up correctly. What we are doing for the next couple of days is doing a little bit of research over different things that our brains will do. And each day is themed a little bit differently, so we have 3 different themed days. The first day here is how to maintain a healthy brain. So you're going to do some different things involving maintaining a healthy brain. And there are different slides in our slideshow activity that you'll be filling out. There's going to be 4 slides each day. I think 5 on the last one, but you'll see why on Thursday there's 5 instead of 4. But we're going to do some different activities involving each one of the slides. So let's take a look at what we have going on here. First off, in order to get to this document, you'll need to go to Schoology. Let me pull up Schoology again here to show you where all that stuff will be at. Schoology. Let me put it back up here. Schoology, if you go to Tuesday, Thursday, you got your bell ringers. They'll be right here. Assignment, brain research activities. When you open it up, that's when you'll get the brain activities here. Like I said, day number 1 is how to have a healthy brain. So we're going to do a little mind map. Basically, to do some research, include different things you could do on a daily basis to make and help keep your brain healthy in each one of the bubbles. So let's take a look at that. Here's our mind map. So what you're going to do, you're going to research ways that you can keep your mind engaged and keep your mind, quote-unquote, healthy by looking at resources that are on the web internet. So what are some different ways to make sure that your brain stays healthy and active with it and not become just a blob of garbage up there? You don't want your brain to be garbage. This fourth slide, or the second thing that we're going to do today, which is slide number 4, is we're calling it brain food, because you're going to fill in the daily meal plan template that we have with meals that are considered healthy for the brain. And you're going to do research to find meals that would be considered to be healthy for your brain, like brain food. So what you're going to do is for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you're going to look at what meals you could have that are considered healthy brain options. For the meal, you're going to include at least 3 different foods, and that goes for lunch and for dinner. These are all similar things. Usually with those foods, there'll be calories with them. We've already talked about calories, so this kind of connects back to our carbohydrate stuff when we're doing carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. So tally up how many carbs of all the foods together, and then why is it a healthy part of the brain. And for the picture, you can just give me a picture of the food, of your breakfast there, or for your lunch, or for your dinner. So that'll be your kind of how we're looking at for the brain food portion of it. The next one is going to be different activities you can do for your brain. So the directions are always on this main slide of how to have a healthy brain. Brain number 5, or slide number 5, is her brain activities. Research and find 3 activities that'll help keep your brain healthy. Fill out the little bubbles as you find your stuff on there. So this might be different than the daily activities. Like daily activities are things that, quick little things that you can do. These would be like things that you could sit down and engage your brain with, and how specifically it'll help your brain. Some of the things that we did last week involving some of those videos we did on Monday and Friday specifically had certain things to help your brain overcome certain obstacles or to get your brain better at. So it'd be those kind of things that you'd be doing. You wouldn't do those every single day. But there are some things that people do every single day to kind of keep their mind fresh and in there. And then the last little bit is what we're calling brain bits. You're going to research 5 fun facts about the brain, add them to each one of the shapes on the slide there. So you just got to come up with 5 brain facts with it. So I'll say number 1. We should change that to different numbers here. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to some different numbers so they're not all numero uno, even though they are all very important facts. I'm sure that you're finding out it before. 5 facts about your brain. And when you get to day 2, sleep and dreams, that's where you need to stop, because you're done for the stuff for today. So once you finish that stuff, you're all done for the stuff today. If you have any questions as you're working on stuff, do not hesitate to ask. But we'll be working through each one of these, so if you do have a question as you come up upon something, just let me know. I'll respond back to you as quick as you can. Hopefully everything's going well for you at home out there, and that I will hopefully see you soon back in class. But if not, hope you have a wonderful day out there, and I will see you later.